Maluit sila kami rawi tal mamestania TMC Meang el Chais nga Ngeldei Tulop nga mas kami Meang el Chais Alsins. Mawatel Meang el Chais rid India's proposed School of Medicine ablal approved niya FIB. FIB approved India's proposal of a private credited medical school of medicine Isra September 10, 2025. Tal school ang Maria Pakpadira ng from India, Micronesia, Asia, Madrak Kalbelaw. Tengamal nguit taal in marangal gitsori masuba tawaragar health services. Yaun matamrul tal school of medicine as well nga niya 30% discount of tuition compared to Indian schools. And direct kan Maria special discount el kiri arangal garbelaw. Yan next week, ang aring 15 professors in Marbelaw, e may omes sa basyo el Marita Laboratory, e direk ka mamru la free service sa Belao National Hospital. Mangariyata aliw e please stop by ra hospital rigid e mastery teral professors e mamru lital manunte al girir ang alawa. Ang yarul Meang el Chais rigid, Palau agencies warn public about unregistered BOEX. Palau authorities are warning the public about the company called BOEX, which is operating in the country without being legally registered or authorized. Agencies including the Bureau of Revenue and Taxation, the Foreign Investment Board, the Corporate Register, Digital Residency Office, and the Financial Intelligence Unit stress that BOEX is not a registered business in Palau and is not affiliated with Palau's residency program or the Palau Stable Project. Although media reports describe BOEX as a blockchain consortium launching operations in Palau, officials caution residents and investors not to engage with the company until it is properly registered. The warning aims to protect the public from scams and financial losses linked to unlicensed operators. Tali warning ang marbakul adrablu ek mutalong bali ang klelaboex adakal register that shawara belaw. Matali ongit ang marbakla adek mo please elabam engage talong bali lang mauul mataskam maraw. Idrakal say annex in Meang el Chais rid Palau marks National Ozone Day. President Surang S. Whips Jr. proclaimed September 16, 2025 as National World Ozone Day in Palau, aligning with global observances. He emphasized that the ozone's layer's vital role in shielding life from harmful UV radiation, which otherwise increases health risk and threatens ecosystems central to Palau's economy, such as coral reefs, forests, and fisheries. Whips urged citizens, schools, and businesses to help protect the ozone layer by reducing ozone-depleting substances, raising awareness, and promoting sustainable practices. The proclamation reflects Palau's commitment to environmental stewardship, international cooperation, and education. Officials stressed that protecting the ozone layer is essential not only for the environment, but also for the health, security, and long-term survival of island nations like Palau. Meang el Chais Whips Forum delivers real benefits on connectivity, trade, and climate action. Sera September 10 Summit in Honiara, President Surang Whips Jr. Regional Forums brings tangible benefits for Palau, including improved airline connectivity, stronger trade, renewable energy investment, and collective climate advocacy. He welcomed Australia's support for regional airline programs, stressing that better connectivity boosts trade, tourism, and people-to-people ties. WIPs also emphasized the processing tuna locally to keep revenue in island economies and reducing shipping costs. On climate change, he called for Pacific nations to lead by example, praised regional renewable energy investments, and urged hosting a future UN climate conference in the Pacific to spotlight island nations' vulnerability. For WIPs, the forum is both a platform for advocacy and a way to turn cooperation into real outcomes for the region. Sen molas del Meang el Chais el Alcids, Palau's disability community speaks out. Palau's disability community, represented by NGO Omakasang, says with people with disabilities remain overlooked in national discussions despite laws and international commitments. Omakasang President Tessie Nobuo has long pushed for greater access and dignity, recently requesting $134,000 from the Senate to fund wheelchair-accessible transportation. Advocates stress this is about more than mobility. It's about independence, opportunity, and inclusion. At recent hearings, citizens and disability advocates shared how barriers in transportation, healthcare, and employment add to daily struggles of families already facing high living costs. Their message, Palauans with disabilities deserve visible government action, not just promises. Malo say, ay gaya ng masuen Meang el Chais el Alcids, komal masal sa umiltun in, das normal malamakal tangat rin rawoy, pamgarik, and have a great weekend. Komal masulang.